A warm welcome to all of you. Today I am going to show you how to make Aaloo Samosa. It's an ultra popular deep fried snack and a very common street food. So let's get started. First I'll show you how to make dough. Making dough, I have taken 2 cups of refined flour or maida, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter, and water as needed for making dough. Now mix salt, cumin seeds with flour and add ghee. Mix properly till it holds shape and then add water slowly. It needs to be slightly stiff dough, so we will keep adding water till a smooth dough is formed. So here you can see dough is formed and it's slightly stiff, so we will cover it and keep it aside for around 20 minutes. Now moving to stuffing. For stuffing I have taken 2 boiled potatoes, one teaspoon of chili flakes, a pinch of carom seeds or ajwain, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, 1 small onion diced like this, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, salt 1 teaspoon or according to your taste, and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, and oil for frying, and I am taking 1 teaspoon of chili powder, or you can use green chilies instead. So first I'll mash potatoes with a fork. We don't have to mash them too much, just as much is fine. Now in a pan I have heated up oil and added carom seeds and onions. Let them fry and then add coriander. So I am going to crush coriander a bit with my hand. Then chili flakes, salt, and potatoes. Mix, add chaat masala and kasuri methi and chili powder. You can skip chaat masala, but it gives little chatpata taste. Let them mix properly. Here the flame is between low to medium. Then turn off the flame and let it cool down. Now going back to dough. Now we'll make small balls and roll dough into rotis. Cut into 2 equal portions like this. You can cut with a knife. Place 2 fingers and then put other side on it. Skewer it with water. Make it like a cone. So here you can see it's ready. Now we will put stuffing inside. Just a tablespoon will be fine. Grease with water and seal, and samosa is ready for frying. Same we will do with this remaining dough. roll them into rotis and shape into samosas. So here all the samosas are ready now. Meanwhile, I have heated up oil in a pan. Once it's hot, add samosas. Here the flame is medium. If we keep it on high, they will burn and they will not get fried properly from inside. Fry on both the sides and then take them out on kitchen towel. Here all the samosas are ready. Now I'll show you a quick video of red chutney, how to make red chutney. In a pan, heat up 1.5 glass of water, add around a cup of sugar, stir. Once it dissolves, then add tamarind. Boil it for a few minutes on high flame. Turn off the flame and strain it. Then gently press with a spoon so that all the pulp squeezes out. This is tamarind and sugar mixture. Now take 2 to 3 tablespoons of corn flour and add water and make it to a smooth paste. Now in a pan, take this tamarind and sugar mixture, heat it up, then add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder. Mix. Bring it to boil and then add corn flour mix. Stir till you get desired consistency. Here the chutney is ready. Samosas can be consumed with a variety of chutneys. Here I have showed you one, imli chutney. So here samosas are ready. There is no limit to the stuffing that you want to add. You can add any vegetables or anything of your choice. So I'll be showing you more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.